iPhone, good morning to you. That's for David Gibb. iPhone, good morning to you, ma'am. Start your video, please.
How you doing?
How you doing? Good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Gennaro.
Full name?
Gennaro Gambrill.
Gambrill. Good morning to you, Mr. Gambrill.
Good morning.
Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you start your camera, unmute yourself, and state your name, please? Zoom user, unmute yourself, ma'am. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning. I'm Hazel Lamont, and the person on the docket would be my husband, Harrison Lamont. He's coming toward the camera. It's just going to be a minute or so, but I wanted to get us in.
Very well. Good morning to you, Ms. Lamont. Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you also, Your Honor.
Lamont. Do you have a case number by any chance?
Good morning, how are you?
Are you muted again? I'm sorry. Unmute yourself, please.
Case number.
LEMOND. You have to unmute yourself.
LEMON. I can get you a case number. It is SP 179-07502 OT.
Very well. All right, there'll be a walk-in. On the, does he have proper plates, Ms. Lamont? Ms. Lamont, does he have proper plates?
Yes, sir, he does.
Can you get that information as well, a registration for us, a copy of that, please? And you're gonna need to turn your background off for the attorney to see it, okay?
There should be another individual waiting to join named Deanna Bass. That's my daughter, and she has the documents. She has the vehicle was at her house last night. She has the documents.
Very well.
The plate is an issue.
No, say no more, ma'am. I'm gonna let him speak with an attorney and they'll figure it out for you.
Okay.
Mr. Bassey, your client is here, Ms. Murphy, Graves, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You want a breakout room with her?
No, Judge, I already have all the documents. I just need to talk to the prosecutor.
Very well. Are these documents verifying that she has correct insurance and registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, well, don't worry about that. We'll get you out of here. If you, as long as you've seen those. On the Samsung device, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Samsung device, unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Yes, Pierre Landfair.
Landfair, you were just in here, you're on another device, you're in the waiting room, so hang up this device, please.
I'll just cancel the other one.
No, cancel this one, please, if it's, you're already named on the other one.
All right.
Whichever one is easier for you to work,
I can work off this one.
all right, I'll cancel the other one. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well, sir.
Oh, yes.
All right. Let's see this, Kim's iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Kimberly Lowe.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lowe. And I'm gonna start letting them in.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies, no speaking while the judge is speaking. When the judge wants you to speak, he will prompt you to do so. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm gonna get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm gonna start with the reviews. City of Detroit versus Andres Ochoa, case number SP 1677865 1. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Max.
Yes.
State your name for the record, please, Mr. Ochoa. Turn your camera on, please.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. You are ordered to pay $240. I don't see that the money's been paid.
I started working, but I got really sick, so they laid me off.
I didn't hear you.
They laid me off because I had to miss 2 days of work.
Paid you off because you missed 2 days of work.
Yeah, because I had just started, and I told them I was sick, and I took them a doctor's note, and they still let me go.
That's surprising to you?
Yeah, because I took them a doctor's note.
And they get that all day.
Yeah.
But that's still surprising to you, right? So,
Yes, Your Honor.
no, it's another,
Yeah.
yeah, he's got another loudspeaker ticket. Purposes of, what is that for the day, Doc? Appearance for the record, please, for Mr. Ochoa.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ochoa.
Andres Ochoa.
All right, Mr. Ochoa, you know how it works. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you wanna do when you come out, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Perkins.
All right,
Scheduled for training.
it's called the City of Detroit versus Barbara Jean Graves Murphy, case number SP 1800126, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable.
Mr. Bazzi. All right, let's pass the matter.
Judge, were you speaking to me?
Yeah, here, let's
Oh,
go
I'm
back.
sorry.
City of Detroit versus Barbara Jean Graves Murphy, case number SP 1800126, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hassan Bazi, P 78448, on behalf of Ms. Barbara Graves. Can you say your name for the record, Mrs. Graves?
Good morning, Your Honor. Barbara Graves Murphy.
Morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Bazzi, you've seen the proper documentation of current documentation.
I did, Your Honor.
It is valid.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, as an officer of the court, I'm going to accept that, and I'm going to dismiss the case with providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you both. Happy
Have a good
holidays.
day to your staff. Thank you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Mark Dwayne Leonard, case number SP 1197141, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appear to the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Mark Leonard.
Morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leonard, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass that matter. Miss Lemon, I'm sorry. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is your husband there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Harrison Lamont Jr. Case number SP 179-07502. Mr. Lamont, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Harrison Lamont Jr.
Very well. Today, we'll call the date and time set for arraignment on the warrant. I'll enter a not guilty plea. I'll recall the warrant and I'll give you a $0 bond. It's my understanding Ms. Bass is here to show me proper documentation. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And good morning to you, Ms. Bass. State your name for the record, please.
Deanna Bass.
All right, and what am I going to see, Ms. Bass?
You'll see the registration for the vehicle.
And is that registration current as of today?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have, please.
Can you see? I don't know if you can see.
I can see it. Just hold it still, please.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, and that was the vehicle that was in question on this day and time?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can let it go. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, all of you have a very good rest of your day and a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
You also.
Thank you. The same to you.
Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And let's go. Ibrahim's iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your full name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor, Officer Abdich, Ibrahim Abdich.
Okay, good morning. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
We get a Spanish interpreter for Garcia.
Can I email and call?
And for patient, right. Very.
Mhm.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ochoa. Mr. Ochoa, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Well, Your Honor, my client's situation is one that the prosecutor has nothing to offer. He's entered a plea, and he was to have paid by today, so.
No, actually, Mr. Berry, he's on the docket for another loudspeaker ticket.
Oh, another.
We called that from last time. I don't know what the agreement was. Mr. Ochoa, what did we say we were gonna do with that other loudspeaker ticket?
They just wanted me to pay the $240 and then they were gonna see what they could do from there. That's what they told me last time.
So, Mr. Berry, it's actually another loudspeaker ticket on the docket. He's on for review at 8:25 and he's on for pretrial at 8:35, I believe. Yes.
All right, let me speak with the prosecutor again, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's pass the matter and let you do that. Mr. Ochoa, go ahead back in breakout room 2 and wait on Mr. Berry, and we're going to take care of some other cases in the meantime.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, while you're doing that, let's get Mr. Gray on his way.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alfred Dale Gray, case number SP 179-41081. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Alfred Dale Gray.
All right, you, sir, today is the date and time set for trial. I gave you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry. I just want to make sure that you understand that if you don't like the offer that Mr. Berry gave you, you have an absolute right to a trial. What do you want to do, Mr. Gray?
Yes, I spoke with him and we decided to just go on ahead and I think he said like take the charges or whatever.
No,
I'm
it's
not.
not, he said, not what he said. Want to
No.
do, let me explain to you, sir, you plead, is this amended count of, is this amended count, open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger, Mr. Berry?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
You realize that you're signing up for, automatically 2 points on your driving record, you know that? You know that when you take this deal, sir?
yes, sir.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
It's up to you. You can have a trial if you want. You could probably do better. You can't do any worse, or it may stay the same. Which one do you want?
I could do either or and it wouldn't change it.
Pretty much, it's the same deal all across the board on this one.
Huh.
So if the officer doesn't show, or if the officer can't make his case, then you would be in a better situation, but if not,
Okay.
then you have to
Okay, take the trial. I'll take the trial then. Yes.
trial date is going to be December the 19th, 2025. You'll know whether you get a Christmas present or not, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, December 19th, not at 9 a.m., sir. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you before the holiday.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holiday. Uh-huh.
Go ahead, Mr. Berry, and speak again with Mr. Ochoa, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Client is going to enter a plea as charged to improper plates with the remaining matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Leonard?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to May 6, 2021 at around 6:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Chicago and Southfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Strike that. Let's go take, oh, wait a minute, this is the wrong one. This is wrong too. Let's see, the other ticket is not in. Same time. Same officer. All right, were you operating this 2008 Saturn, I think?
Yes, sir.
Is that your vehicle?
Yes, it was in my name.
Was something wrong with the plate on that vehicle, sir?
There wasn't any plate.
Very well, I guess that would make it improper automatically, huh? Stipulate to the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter in the client's behalf, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged the improper plate. I'm going to dismiss the other matters. I'll fine you $240. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay?
My pay date is on the 3rd, but I get paid that night So the morning of the 4th would be excellent for me, sir.
All right. Come back on December the 5th to make sure it's paid. December the 5th, if it's paid, we'll dismiss the case. Hand it any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. I'll see you back before the holiday.
Thank you, sir.
City of Detroit versus City of Detroit versus Javon Lane. Case number is SP 10337831, SP 1766659, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1766670,
Thank you.
U 620-73121, U 620-74321, 194529-511, SP 9782921. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherrod Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lane, please state your name for the record.
Javon Lane.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lane. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Mr. Lane, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And no, Ms. Harris, there's been no request for it. I'm going to put you in the breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Bumpus, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff.
Very well. Good morning. This is the City of Detroit versus David James Gibb, case number Z8095471. Good morning to you, Mr. Gibb. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. David James Gibb.
Good morning to you. Ms. Bumpus, can you give us an update on what's going on with Mr. Gibb?
Yes, Your Honor. In this case, Mr. Gibb was placed on probation June 6, 2025. Your Honor, since that time, he is tested as scheduled. His tests have been negative. He's testing 2 times a month. He's completed the Victims Impact Panel June 12th, 2025. He's also completed Alcohol Highway Safety at eBay on July 19th, 2025, and he's paid all his fines and costs in full. He's had no further contact with the criminal justice system, and he is in compliance with the court's order at this time, Your Honor.
Okay, and what is the court's recommendation?
Judge, he is eligible for discharge at this time. So if the court so orders, we would have no objection.
Okay, Mr. Gibb, I do congratulate you on that. You know, it's I'm maintaining your sobriety. Well, I don't know if this is your first incident, a drunk driving incident or not, but if it is, then you would be eligible now. First time ever in the state of Michigan, one drunk driving is eligible for a expungement once you complete the required period without getting another incident like this. So I don't know if that is, and you're seeking that, but if you are, I wish you the best of luck on that. And we're going to close this matter out. Wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you. Okay, sir?
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day and a great day, Mr.
All right. Bye-bye. Bye, Mr. Gibb.
Thank you. Goodbye.
All right.
I think we lost Mr. Ochoa, Your Honor.
No, he's here.
Push tower. I stepped on those.
All right, you're gonna have to mute yourself. He's here. Are we ready on Mr. Ochoa?
I need to speak with him.
All right, go back in room 2, Mr. Ochoa, please.
I didn't get the prompt, sir.
All right, it's still open. I'm gonna make it easier for you. Join 4 and then I'll put you into.
Okay, thank you.
All right, he's in there, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Chi. Can you unmute yourself, start your video, and state your name, please? Good morning to you. Unmute yourself, start your video, and state your name, please.
Good morning, Judge. It's Detective Trooper Modelinsky, Michigan State Police.
Good morning, Mr. Trooper Malinsky. Good morning, Trooper as well. As soon as the city attorney comes, we'll put you guys, all the officers can go and break out room 1 and wait on the city attorney. I have you check that.
Morning.
All right, what is Mr. Ochoa gonna do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, the matter scheduled at 8:35 is to be dismissed.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ochoa. Mr. Ochoa, they gave you a break today dismissing the case. What are we gonna do about this other matter?
I set up some jobs like that I know how to do, so I'm gonna do them today and tomorrow, and hopefully by the end of the week I can pay the 240.
Let's not hope. Let's find out exactly when you're gonna pay this.
Yeah, by Monday I can do it.
You're gonna pay it on Monday?
Yeah.
All right, come back on Monday morning, review.
Okay.
If you pay it at the kiosk, dip that kiosk, or you come on in and pay it, it'll pay, obviously it'll go through instantly. Let's get this matter closed out, sir. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. The city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Michael Roberts Griffin Jr. Case number SP 135-25481, SP 1800946 SP 1800951. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Michael Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Constable.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He has 2 other matters, another driving license suspended and a defective equipment ticket. Give Mr. Griffin an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Griffin, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
I don't see anything affecting him getting a license, Mr. Barrett. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lane. Mr. Lane, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date, and we're asking that discovery would be made available for House Counsel that day.
Is there a, if he doesn't want, let's appoint him an attorney, because I've seen problems with the discovery being available on House Counsel on that day. Mr. Lane, we're gonna appoint you an attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
That way it goes through, well, I'm gonna set a pretrial date of December the 18th, 2025 at 8:30. I do need a good contact information from you. If you don't want to say it on Zoom, you can put it in the chat.
Okay. Okay. No, not her. Yeah.
Do you know how to put it in the chat?
Yes, I just did it.
I have it, Your Honor. I'm going to send it to the court.
December the 18th is your next court date, 2025. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by December 18th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
But if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
It's the city of Detroit versus Charvetta Chantel Livingston, case number SP 1805151, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Charvetta Livingston.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Ms. Livingston, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
To pass the matter, Mr. Attorney Dupree, good morning to you. Who are you here for? Attorney Garrison, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, you can go ahead to 4. Has Mario Garcia been, is Mario Garcia here?
Marco Garcia is with me, yes.
He's with you in your office?
Yes, Your Honor. You want
All
to?
right, very well. Go to 4, Counselor, and wait on the city to get your offer. And if your client takes the deal, he has, make sure he's fully advised of his rights and rights. Let me see who the officer is.
I think he is.
If the officer doesn't show by 9:30, then you know what to do.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, he's here. Okay. The officer is here, so go in 4, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Livingston. Ms. Livingston, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, this is a dismissal for providing valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
The court's gonna dismiss the cases, Ms. Livingston. Have a very good rest of the day. Safe and happy holiday season, okay?
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right. City of Detroit versus Brittany, Erica, Sierra, Grant. Case number SP 1803013, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Sherika
Good
Harris
morning.
on behalf of Ms. Grant. Please state your name.
Brittany Grant.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. I don't know why this is here in front of me. It's informal hearing, but it's here. Ms. Harris, Officer Turner is here. Why don't you get Ms. Grant an updated offer? Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, I mean, I guess we'll call this the date and time set for a formal hearing because both of the parties are here. Ms. Grant, speak to Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do. Right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Just pass the matter. Spanish interpreter.
Oh, give me a call.
Morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
We have, we're Brittany Grant is here. I have Officer Turner in room 1. I was trying to pull him up. It reads informal hearing, but he's here. Ms. Harris is speaking to Ms. Grant. So why don't you speak to Officer Turner, see if we can get some resolution, please.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Jacob Lee Garner.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jacob Lee Garner Jr. Case number SP 177374881. State your name for the record, please.
Jacob Lee Gardner Jr.
You were supposed to pay, but you haven't paid.
Yes, I was going to ask for some more time because the course I had to borrow money for the course for the safety class. That was $110.
When did we do this?
November 22nd, the class.
Do you have a proof of the class?
Of course. Do I show it? Do it?
No, you sent it to me.
I didn't know that, but
send it to me. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. And it's been months since you've taken this deal.
Yeah, I just finished it.
You know, I just don't have any sympathy for this and you not being able to pay. You're able to discharge a firearm in the city limits, but you can't pay your tickets. How does that sound?
I could pay. I just need a little bit more time.
No, you haven't paid. If you could have paid, you would have paid.
Yeah, I know. I can't. I just need a little bit more time.
How much time do you need?
At least another month. I'm just
That's not a little. more time either. All right, come back on, and make sure I get the copy of that
The course.
firearm.
You said through your Gmail, right?
No, it's in the chat right there. Go to the chat. That's at Sean at 36districtcourt.org. Come back on January the 5th, 2026. And obviously, no firing off any firearms to celebrate the new year.
No. You said January 6th?
January 5th, 2026 at 8:25, Kennedy did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you for this.
All right. We're gonna talk about your gun course too, what you learned when you come back, all right?
Yes, sir.
Have a great day.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Marquise Anthony Lewis. Case numbers. Case, I don't know how that is. Case number SP 175-1808, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Lewis, good morning.
This new video surfaced about 48 hours after the Atlanta.
Turn their device off. Mr. Lewis, unmute yourself, please. State your name, please. Mark Anthony Lewis.
Marquise Lewis.
Marquise, I'm sorry, Marquise Lewis. Are you at work, sir?
Yes.
All right, state, day is the date and time set for a review. You were supposed to pay as well, and you didn't pay.
Yeah, the only reason I haven't paid is because when I was getting ready to pay, I had the money set aside to pay all of it last week, and my car ended up going down. I had to go put a fuel pump in my vehicle, sir. Somebody had put some sugar in my tank.
This one case was supposed to be dismissed. I'm dismissing that now. All right, come back next month, sir, on the 5th of January 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
All right. All right, Mr. Barry, who are we ready on?
Mr.
Let me see what this is. Team, come in. Griffin, I had, did you have Michael Griffin?
I did, Your Honor.
And he fell off, it seems like. All right, I'm letting you try it again. Start your camera, unmute yourself, and state your name, Chi.
Lucy Grundy.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm sorry I couldn't unmute.
That's all right. So we're gonna move on, Mr. Berry, from that to, Mr. Lester then. And we'll wait on, Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, are you here? Let's see if he rejoins. City of Detroit versus Blair Vincent Lester. And the state of Michigan versus Blair Vincent Lester. Case number SP 148-59441, SP 175-8833, counts 1 and counts 2, and SX 455-8808, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Blair Lester.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Kennan here. We have Officer Ibrahim here. And we have Trooper Dane Smith here as well. All the officers seem to have appeared. Officer Ibrahim, can you state your name for the record, please, for Vincent, for Mr. Blair Vincent Lester? All right. All right, let's put you in a breakout room. Officer Ibrahim, can you state your name for the record for Mr. Lester, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Officer Abdich, Ibrahim Abdich.
Okay, good morning to you. Name of the department and the badge number, please.
I'm at 3rd Precinct, badge number 40.
And Judge, I apologize.
Go ahead.
May I get the spelling of his last name?
ABDIC.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Then we have Trooper Dane and Officer McKinnon all are here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lester, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer today, is the date time set for a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come up with it.
Thank you.
It's past the matter. All right, Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna get you back with Mr. Berry when he's freed up, all right?
Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you.
This is Officer Turner. I've talked with the city attorney. I have another courtroom to check in. I just want to let you know.
Okay, very well.
All right, thank you, sir.
Let's go check in and come right back. Make sure this Miss Grant, I'm gonna make sure she doesn't want to have a hearing.
Okay, cool. Just give me a few minutes. I'll be right back.
Very well. Morning, Mr. Bachman. Ms. Lee is here.
Good morning, Your Honor. We're ready.
This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Tashila Lee. Case numbers SP 1059039, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Speaking.
084179, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1514824, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1784458, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 4493324-1. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman, P 55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, give the court your full name, please.
Sheila Kelly Lee.
Judge, the defendant is continuing not guilty plea here today. She asks that the matter be set for a bench trial by Zoom, please.
Okay, Ms. Lee, the trial date is going to be December the 19th. December the 19th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, Ms. Lee, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Do you have anything else, Mr. Baldwin?
That's everything for now.
All right, have a good day.
You too, bye.
Pulowski. Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. Pulowski, unmute yourself, start your camera and state your full name, please. Pulowski. Officer Nazar.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, who are you here on?
I have Mr. Lighton.
Yeah, I don't believe you came in on the time. You got in after the cutoff period. It's a 9:30 cutoff. I won't mark you as not appeared. But we're gonna dismiss this one. You can talk to the city attorney though. Put you in a breakout.
Good, Your Honor.
Giovanni Gomez. Mr. Garrison, we're waiting on a Spanish interpreter.
Sorry. And no speak English. Sorry, no speak English. Sorry, sir.
All right, un momento.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Garrison, have you worked it out?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
You need an interpreter though, correct?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
We'll order one. It's supposed to be in Hernandez. She should be here shortly.
Okay, no problem. Thanks.
Latch, are you there? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council as a resolution.
Yes, Your Honor. As she did post the bond, because this was her motion to set aside the default that she received, there is a reduction on the 16 to 20 over. It would be amended to a limited access 1 to 5 over, with the failing to signal on turn or leaving curb being dismissed. We would ask if the court would apply the payment, the bond that she posted, to the fine for the limited access 1 to 5 over, and that the remaining monies be returned to her forthwith.
All right. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
We
All right,
stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
Very well. I'll find your client responsible for the amended come of limited access 1 to 5, $125. Dismiss the other matter and return balance. Is this, are you still good on Pasadena Street?
Yes.
All right, it might take a while for you to get that money back. You'll get it back at some point, but it may take a while, ma'am. Have a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am. We'll make this a
Thank you. Same to you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
This is the City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Brian Richard Gunn, case number SP 131-77631, SP 180-22361, SP 180-2257, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gunn, please state your name for the record.
Brian Richard Gunn.
All right, good morning to you. It is a matter that's in warrant status, no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Gunn, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. For the purposes of arraignment on the warrant on the misdemeanor, no insurance, that's not on the docket. Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Willing or not guilty, done as yeah, we recall the warrant, we'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gunn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, was an attorney requested?
No.
Okay.
Pass the matter.
Judge, I don't mean to interrupt. I'm just wondering, Ms. Gardner, I just sent you a prompt to join a breakout room. Could you please accept the prompt? Sorry, Judge. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester. Mr. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the going wrong way on a one-way street. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Very well. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Lester?
So I just started my job today. If I could pay by the end of the month, I know that's a lot of time, but if you could.
Pay it by January 5th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Lester. If it's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Officer Turner, Ms. Grant is was to.
I'm sorry, say it again, sir.
Ms. Grant is out of here. She's settled her matter.
Okay, cool. Thank you, sir. You guys have a good one.
You as well. And all the officers for Mr. Lester, be safe, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you. I marked Officer Dane, Officer Ibrahim, and Officer McKinnon as here.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a happy holiday.
Thank you as well. City of Detroit versus Anisha Jarlene Lewis, case number SB 178-41621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, ma'am.
Anissa Geraldine Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time. Oh, Mr. Griffin. All right, let's go. We'll get Mr. Griffin back in there as well. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $4 bond. Miss Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna get you in there right after this, all right? I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Did you finish talking to Mr. Berry, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, I did, but my phone had died.
No, we haven't.
Room.
All right,
You
all right.
need to speak.
I'm gonna get you back in there. Just talk to Miss Lewis. Just has one matter, and I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room. All right, Mr. Griffin. Go ahead and
Okay.
join the breakout. Speak to Mr. Lewis, Mr. Barry. Let's pass the matter. All right, Sergeant Reed.
Yes, sir. How you doing? How you doing, sir?
Morning to you. Who are you here on?
I'm here on Frank Gibson.
All right, Frank Gibson is here. He's been here. I have a 9:30 cutoff, Sergeant Reed, so you missed the bus. So I won't mark you as not appeared, but I am going to dismiss the case. I will allow you to speak with the city attorney if you choose to.
Okay, you say it's yeah, I'll speak with the attorney.
Join the room, please.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lewis. Miss Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, you want a trial date, Miss Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back December 19th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. You have a good day, too.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Griffin, go ahead and rejoin the room and speak to Mr. Barry. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gunn. Mr. Gunn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gunn?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to ask you to answer the calls and check your emails for. I have Ymail. It's supposed to be Gmail, right, Miss Harris?
No. That's that's one of the very few white mails they gave out.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, never heard of that. Very well. I'm going to set a pretrial date of December the 18th, 2025 at 8:30. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by December 18th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. If you don't have any questions, Mr. Gunn, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, you too, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremy Lee Gates, case number SP 179-7382, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 179-74021. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Jeremy Gates.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gates. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Gates does owe $288 amongst two other civil infractions, but the $288 is what's affecting his ability at least to get clearances here at 36 District Court. Mr. Gates, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Berry. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, I'm sorry. You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Pardon me. Who's that? Oh, you can let her. Marquise, baby. Marquise Vega. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Marquise Vega, I'm here, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning to you. you have a case number, sir?
No, I don't, Judge. It's probably actually my bad. I know I had court for one of these days, but I literally wrote it on a calendar and I can't find that calendar, so I'm just trying to keep up as much as I can, just by
You
kind of
got
just like adding myself in.
a job. Vega,
Yes, Your Honor.
Marquise Moses Vega.
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge Larry Williams, I see you're supposed to be there on strike that, January 9th, 2026. You're doing January 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Sign this pencil.
You say, sir, have a safe, happy holiday season.
Wait, I'm sorry, Judge. Can you repeat that? I'm so sorry.
January 9th.
January 9th. Okay.
9 a.m. That's Judge Larry Williams. That's not in here.
All right, Larry Williams. I appreciate it, Judge. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays to you.
All right.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Griffin?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Draw your attention back to September the 23rd, 2025, around 7:37 p.m. City of Detroit, in the area of Grasses and Bellevue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
One more time.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
He did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty of to the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
$240, Mr. Griffin. When can you pay it?
I could pay it on the 10th. December 10th.
All right. Pay it by, just make sure it gets in there by the 12th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Griffin. If you don't have any further questions, I appreciate your patience and have a very good rest of your day and have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
All right, you too. Appreciate you.
Thank you. All right, is John Prentice Gilmer here? John Prentice Gilmer.
Hello? Hello, Judge?
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Can you hear me? I was on mute. I don't know if I'm off yet.
I can hear you. Good morning to you.
Okay. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus John Prentice Gilmer, case number SB 18028. 22, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilmore.
John Prentice Gilmore.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gilmore, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are requesting a trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Gates?
Yes, sir.
Trial date will be December the 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Well, City of Detroit versus Gennaro Lee Gambrell, case number SP 1780819, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1780957, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1799115. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Gennaro Gambriel.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, could I have case ending 1151? Could the court tell me the statute as written on the ticket?
It's 750.167. 750.167. That's what it reads under the, let me see what it reads on the ticket. I don't see an actual copy of the ticket. 750.167. Mr. Gambrell, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room to pass the matter.
And the court doesn't have an original ticket?
I don't no, I don't see it. We can probably get one. And we can get that 179 ticket, please. Officer Ibrahim, you guys are free to leave. I think Mr. Lester is gone. He's taking the deal. Officer McKinnon, Officer Ibrahim, be safe out there. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. We appreciate it.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Am I done? This is Frank Gibson.
Not yet.
Okay.
Your Honor, I apologize if I interrupt you, but I have a Lester for running red light and no insurance, and I think that's another case probably.
No, they took it. They took the deal. Oh, that Lester, I don't see that on the docket. I don't see that on the docket.
Yes, sir. I apologize for interrupting you again. I gave him a warning for running red light, but he also had he was unregistered and no insurance on him. So I believe that's a different case.
No, it's all on the same ticket, the unregistered, untitled, you have no insurance, misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled. And they talked to the city attorney and they took care of it.
All right. I guess I was not aware of that. I thought it was two different cases.
No, I don't know if you talked to the city attorney or not, but that's why she was supposed to have spoken to you in the breakout room. I can put you back in the room, but Lester's gone.
All right, sir. it is what it is. So,
Well, I don't want it to be like that. If you want to speak to the city attorney, you can speak with her.
yes, I would like to speak because that's kind of confusing because Mr. Lesser Blair Vincent was not impeding in my situation. He ran red light on Woodward and State right in front of us, and I gave him a warning for that, and he didn't have no insurance or no registration on him, and I had to tow his vehicle.
Join the room, please.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Then we just can't hate him. Come to look at y'all new courtroom. Yeah. It's a big difference from what y'all used to.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gambrell. Mr. Gambrell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel.
Your Honor, we're requesting a trial date.
I didn't give you again. Oh, all right, all right, very, very good. All right, we're gonna set a trial date, sir, for December the 19th, 2025 at 9 a.m. It was nothing further, Mr. Gambrell. You have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
Land fair?
Here, Your Honor.
This is, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Pierre Giovanni Land Fair, case number SP 12662121. Is that Javon?
I'm sorry, sir. That's not my middle name.
Javon?
Yes, you said Giovanni. Okay. Yeah, Jovan.
All right, case number sorry about that. Case number SP 12662121. Appearance for the record, please. On this license.
Yes, Pierre Landfair.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Landfair.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Landfair, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, well, don't worry about it. We're going to dismiss the case. He's got a valid driver's license. You still owe that 156 for failure to stop ticket. If there's nothing further, Mr. Landfair, you have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll wait the warrant fee.
Okay.
Best of to you, sir.
I do have one question, Your Honor.
What is that?
Is there any points on my license?
It was. I don't know. They drop off after a while. That's 3 points on your license.
Is there a way that I can get? Is there a way I can get that 0 points?
No, it's probably not anymore. This was a 20. This was
2021.
2021 ticket. I'm sure the tickets, the points are probably come and gone by now. You just owe the money.
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe, happy holiday season, all right?
Thank you. When is that due?
Pardon me?
Pardon me?
I didn't hear you, sir.
I said, when is that due?
It's been due.
Okay, I just want to know. I can't make it today. I can pay it tomorrow.
Very well.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, you two have a safe, happy holiday season.
Bye.
City of
You as well.
Detroit, versus, Jeremy Goodlett. Case numbers SP 1389661, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1398044, counts 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeremy Goodlett.
Terica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Goodlett, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Oh, good morning to you, Mr. Goodlett. We're gonna enter not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'll recall the warrant. I'm gonna get you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Over there.
So in your room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Your Honor, is it possible to get a copy of the ticket for the reckless
No, marico, yo
driving?
también la estoy esperando,
Give Ms. Harris a copy of this ticket. No, it doesn't say anything, Ms. Harris. I can still get you a copy, but there's no remarks at all.
Nope, I don't need it. Thank you.
Mr. Boppel, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Frank Poppel.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes.
Mr. Garrison, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
All right, City of Detroit versus Marco Antonio Garcia, case number SP 176930881. Appearance for the record, please.
Gente de Detroit contra Marco Antonio García, nombre de caso SP 17693081. Comparecencia, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trevor Garrison for Mr. Garcia.
Buenos días, señor. Señoría, Trevor Garrison, representando al señor García.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Garcia. Good morning, state your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, señor. Diga su nombre para el acta, por favor.
Marco Antonio García.
All right, Officer Maldonado, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Oficial Maldonado, ¿puede decir su nombre y su número de identificación para el acta, por favor?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Officer Maldonado, badge number 4172 for the 4th precinct.
Sí, su señoría, oficial Maldonado, número de identificación 4172 para el cuarto precinto.
Now you have to start your camera, Mr. Officer Maldonado.
Yes,
Tiene
sir.
que arrancar su cámara, señor Maldonado.
All right, very well. All right, day is date and time set for a trial. It's my understanding, is there a resolution?
Hoy es la cita para un juicio. Según entiendo, hay una solución.
Yes, Your Honor. In exchange for Mr. Garcia's being responsible to limited access speeding 1 to 5 over, the other charge will be dismissed.
Sí, su señoría, según entiendo, es que el señor García se declara culpable de haber manejado más que el límite de la velocidad por unas 5 millas. El otro cargo se le va a desestimar.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Usted estipula el causa probable para el ticket para que su cliente se declara responsable.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the admitted count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. Mr. Garcia, when can you pay it?
Ok, con su estipulación le voy a declarar a su cliente responsable de haber manejado de unas 5 millas más que el límite de velocidad. La multa es $125. ¿Cuándo puede pagar eso su cliente?
Today. Don't today.
Hoy.
Today.
All right, I'll give you until tomorrow to get it in here. Pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Or I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Garcia. Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you, and I'll see you soon, Harrison.
Entonces lo voy a dar hasta mañana para que tengamos tiempo de poner todo en el sistema. Usted lo puede pagar por un kiosco DivDat que están en toda la ciudad. También lo puede pagar por la aplicación si lo baja en su teléfono, o lo puede pagar en persona aquí en el tribunal. Esas son las mejores maneras de pagarlo. Le deseo muy buenas fiestas. Y señor Garrison, ya lo voy a ver en otro momento.
Thank you, Your Honor. Likewise. See you soon.
Gracias, su señoría. Igualmente, le voy a ver pronto.
Gracias.
Thank you. Have a good holiday too, Mr. Gerson.
You too, Your Honor.
Buenas fiestas, señor Garrison. Gracias, señoría.
All right, City of Detroit, this is for you again, Mr. Bob. City of Detroit versus Anthony Fabian Garrison Carrero, case number SP 17807-551. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Este es el caso de Anthony Fabián García Carrillo, número de ticket SP 17807551. Diga su nombre para el acta.
Anthony García.
Anthony García.
Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a review. I see you paid, sir. We're going to dismiss your case. You have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Hoy es la cita para una repasada. Veo que usted pagó el ticket, así que voy a desestimar el cargo y ya está todo listo. Que tenga felices fiestas.
Ok, muchísimas gracias y gracias a usted, señor.
Gracias. Thank you very much and thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Okay, Mr. Giovanni Gomez, I'm trying to find, you're free to leave, Mr. Garcia.
Señor García, ya se puede desconectar.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
I'm trying to get him to unmute himself and state his name, Giovanni Gomez.
Señor Giovanni Gómez, ¿puede prender su micrófono?
Yes, unmute himself, please.
Si aprieta en la pantalla abajo, hay un símbolo de micrófono.
I'm giving him the prompt to unmute.
Le están dando la notificación, acéptela en la pantalla. No lo podemos escuchar.
He has to unmute himself. All right, let's move on until he can figure out how to unmute himself. You need to find somebody that can help you unmute, sir.
Trate de encontrar a alguien que le pueda ayudar a prender el micrófono.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, all these matters have been dismissed.
Okay, Mr. Gilmore, I'm going to dismiss the cases. Wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good holiday too.
Thank you, thank you. Did Giovanni Lopez ever unmute himself? I think he's got some help there now. Gomez, I'm sorry, Giovanni.
Señor Gómez, ¿puede prender su micrófono?
Liberty O'Neill. Liberty O'Neill, is Liberty O'Neill here? Unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please. All right, Mr. O'Neill is non-responsive. Kimberly Lowe.
Yes.
Morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Kimberly Lowe, case number SP 18072401. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lowe.
Kimberly Lowe.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial, I believe.
Show cause, Your Honor.
Show cause, purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lowe, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Attempt to keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And this is giving, the allegation is give regarding accident. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. It's a note on the ticket, Mr. Says accident stated that there was a passenger in vehicle when it was struck, when in fact the vehicle was parked and unoccupied. It's got some kind of video. I'll give you the ticket. Send Mr. Berry. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodlett. Mr. Goodlett, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date.
All right, he owes $288 on an old no insurance proof ticket. Trial date is going to be December 19th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Goodlett, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All righty. Thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Liberty Andrea O'Neill, case number SP 1796751. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharon Harris, on behalf of Ms. O'Neill, please state your name for the record.
Liberty O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date time set for a show cause. Purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. O'Neill, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Frank Gibson, case number SP 1791960, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance. Let me make for the record, Mr. Gibson.
Stay down here, David Gomez. You can hear me?
Hold on.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Gibson, state your name. Frank Gibson, yes. Today is the date time set for a trial / formal hearing. I'm going to dismiss the case. The officer was late. Also, you paid a related civil infraction, but the officer was late. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gibson, say happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor, and the same to you.
And thank you. Let's go. Mr. Boppel, can you get Mr. Giovanni Gomez's name, please?
Hello.
All right, the officers on Morris Larry are free to leave. I don't think Mr. Morris Larry has appeared. Be safe. Have a safe, happy holiday season if I don't see you. Officer, Mr. Giovanni Gomez, can you state your full name, please?
Giovanni Gómez, ¿puede decir su nombre completo?
Buenos días, señor. Mi nombre es David Gómez Jiménez.
David Gómez Jiménez.
Okay. And good morning to you.
Buenos días a usted.
Right, let's go back on the record with Ms. O'Neill. Ms. O'Neill, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a pretrial date.
Come back on December the 18th, Ms. O'Neill at 8:30. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
I need the file. This is the City of Detroit versus David Gomez Jimenez, case number SP 1803920, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on
That's
behalf.
Mr. Boppel. Oh, he needs, Ms. Harris, Mr. Jimenez needs an interpreter. Believe he may be in another hearing. We're gonna pass the matter. All right, let's go down to Grundy. Ma'am, good morning. Let me get the correct pronunciation of your name again, please.
Chisalosi Grundy.
Okay, good point. Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Chisalosi Grundy, case number SP 1800441. 1, 2, and 3, SP 1800443, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Grundy. Please state your name for the record.
Chisalosi Grundy.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Grundy, Ms. Grundy has 3 other tickets that are in default, a brake light ticket, defective equipment, and no valid registration. I wouldn't have any issue for allowing her to be on those tickets if the city has no objection. Ms. Grundy, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Armani, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your full name, please? What's your full name, sir? Armani? All right, I'm not hearing you. Something must be, you're unmuted on this end, so something must be wrong with your device on that end.
Are you talking to me, sir?
No, Armani. All right, I have to type your name in the chat, Mr. Armani. Type your full name in the chat, at least I can see where you're supposed to be. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe, Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
All right, Ms. Lowe, this what you want to do? I'm going to set a pretrial for December 18th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set.
Can I say something? I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you. I already have a disposition that day. Can I get it another day?
What is a disposition? I don't know what you mean by that.
I was in a car accident. I have a lawsuit, so I have a trial, something going on with the courts and stuff that day.
All right, come back on the 19th then of December.
That's fine.
All right, 19th of December, pretrial. Ask you to answer the call. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on December 19th, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, man. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Mr. Bobble, are you ready or you? All right. That would get me down to Mr. Latin. He's got to get, you got to fix your Latin so we can hear you. Something is going on with your device. Now you're muted. Let me try to unmute you and see if that, unmute yourself and see if that helps. Yeah, I'm not getting. I don't know how you're connected. Your microphone is not up or something like that. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure it out. We have to go to Lanier and see you can figure it out. If Miss Harris says you need to turn your volume up. That'll help, but I don't know. If you can hear him now?
The speaker is messed up is all I heard.
Oh, I don't know how we're gonna do it now. City of Detroit versus Mario Lanier. Mario.
Hello.
Lanier Jr., case number SP 1775619. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lanier.
Mario Lanier Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. He also has a arraignment on December the 22nd on 3 other cases. We can get him arraigned on those cases now as well and move it up. Let's call case number SP 1. Strike that SP 1819142, counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record. For purposes of arraignment on those cases, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would waive the information, waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. As for the ticket we have in front of us today, Officer T.Y. Henderson, and not having seen that officer check in.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, and I'm going to dismiss the case there. You want to see if you can get Mr. Baird can get you an updated offer on these other cases, sir, or do you want another court date? Let me know.
I get another court date.
You want to just, all right, do you want a trial date on these other cases?
No,
there's nothing here that I see as affecting his license.
Yeah, I want a trial date.
Trial date will be on the other 3 cases will be December the 19th, all right?
All right.
December the 19th. No, make sure you don't forget it, all right?
All right.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. All right.
All right,
I'll see you December 19th at 9 a.m.
I appreciate it.
All right. Mr. Latin. Did that help? Microphone is messed up. I see. What about the other device that you have? Why can't you connect the audio on that other? You're in the room on that other device. Connect the audio. All right, let's go to Lori Gardner is gone. Let's go to Antoinette Lewis.
Good morning.
Good morning. Turn your camera on, please. All right, good morning, Ms. Lewis. This is the city of Detroit versus Antoinette Lewis, case number SB 158-70051. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Antoinette Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Yes.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. She's got 3 civil infractions that are been long in default, so I don't know if that's gonna help you with the offer, Mr. Berry. That she got a 16 to 20 over, no valid registration, and a defective mirror. I'm gonna speak to Miss Lewis in the breakout room. Ms. Lewis, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room, pass the matter. Okay, officers for Larry are free to leave. They never show. Larry never showed. John Officer Martin for Layton. I don't have a Layton that doesn't appear on the docket, I don't think.
Your Honor, it's supposed to be Latin, Jaquan Latin.
Latin is here.
Yeah, he's having issues with his mic.
Exactly. And good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Attorney Upshaw. Who's your client?
My client is, I was seeing if Camille Scott is on the list.
Camille Scott? No,
Yes.
I don't believe so. Do you have a case number?
No, she's at the Mound Center. So if it's not on the list, then I guess she just didn't
I
make
think
the
you
list.
got the wrong,
Oh, I didn't dial 134?
no, let me see.
I apologize. I'm going to 134. You have a good day.
All right, be safe, have a good holiday. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Now, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, could we confirm that Ms. Lewis has a valid license?
From the license, please. I'm gonna dismiss this case. We'll provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lewis, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Have a safe, happy holiday season, okay?
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
As well. Mr. Bopple, are you ready?
I am ready.
This is the city of Detroit versus David Vincent Gomez Jimenez, case number SP 1803920, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
El caso de David Vincent Gómez Jiménez, el número de ticket SP 1803920, cargo 1, 2 y 3, comparecencia para el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Elwood S. Berry, representándole al demandado.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Gomez Jimenez. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Buenos días, señor Gómez Jiménez. ¿Puede decir su nombre para el acta, por favor?
David Vicente Gómez Jiménez.
David Vicente Gómez Jiménez.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gomez Jimenez, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Gómez, voy a poner un cuarto privado para hablar con su abogado, señor Berry. Le va a dar una oferta actualizada. Tenga en cuenta que si no le gusta la oferta, tiene el derecho absoluto de avanzar este asunto a un juicio.
Ok, señor.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Avísenos qué quiere hacer cuando salga.
Ok, gracias.
Acepte la invitación.
¿Qué le pongo, Joy?
Sí.
Sí. City of Detroit versus Antoine Earl Leggett, case number SP 1778323, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Leggett, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Hello?
Mr. Leggett, state your name for the record, please.
Antoine Leggett for the record.
Good morning to you. Day and date and time set for a trial. Officer Billy Bird. Hearing no response, have not seen that officer on my list. Case dismissed, sir, by the court's own motion. Have a great day. Safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Mr. Ladden, have you got it together now? And I don't know. I still can't hear you. You have another device that you're signed on to, right? Mr. Ladden, you have another device I have you in the room on. Why can't you connect to audio on that other device? And then see if that one will work. Or call in. Give them the call in number. Write this number down, sir. Ms. Mathis is going to give you the call in number. Yeah.
Area code 929-436-2866. Follow the prompts and enter the Zoom meeting ID number.
929-436-2866, right, Ms. Mathis? Cool. Call in.
Okay, this one.
Hang up the device.
Right here, I can't look in it, so there's no page.
Talk to Ms.
Just forward. Okay.
Mr. Latin?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. All right. Give me a minute, all right?
Okay.
Is he gonna take a deal or what is he gonna do?
Deal, Your Honor, failure to display. Very
well.
Try not to. Okay. I'll be here. Just let me take them. Okay, I'll try not to. Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gomez Jimenez. Mr. Gomez Jimenez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos de vuelta en el acta con el señor Jiménez. Señor Jiménez, usted ha tenido oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Me considero culpable.
I consider myself guilty.
Your Honor, my client. Go right ahead, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
Su señoría, mi cliente, adelante, su señoría.
Can you raise your right hand, please, Mr. Gomez Jimenez?
Señor Gómez Jiménez, ¿puede levantar su mano derecha?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que lo que va a decir es la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Lo juro.
I swear.
You can put your hand down.
Puede bajar su mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
¿Usted entiende que el castigo máximo para este cargo sería 93 días en la cárcel y una multa hasta $500?
Sí, entiendo.
Yeah, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Entiende que tiene el derecho absoluto de avanzarlo a un juicio.
Lo entiendo.
I understand.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
El señor Berry le advirtió de sus derechos en el cuarto privado, ¿cierto?
Cierto.
That's correct.
You understood those rights?
¿Usted entendió estos derechos?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No, señor.
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Entiende que al declararse culpable usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha prometido algo más allá de lo que hemos dicho en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 2nd, 2025, at around 4:24 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Verner and Dragoon. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Vamos a volver a la cita del 2 de octubre de 2025, alrededor de las 4:24 de la mañana. Usted estuvo manejando la ciudad de Detroit en la zona de Warner y Dragoon y tuvo contacto con un policía de Detroit.
Correcto.
Correct.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Estaba manejando un carro en aquel entonces?
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿El oficial de policía le pidió una licencia válida para conducir?
Sí, correcto.
Yes, correct.
You could not do so, could you?
Y usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿cierto?
Cierto.
That's correct.
And why is that?
¿Por qué es eso?
Aproximadamente hace 11 años me suspendieron la licencia y de ahí no la he podido sacar tengo que hacer pagos de tickets y los he hecho, pero fui a la secretaría a preguntar y todavía no puedo, todavía no me quitan la suspensión de la licencia.
Yeah, about 11 years ago, my license was suspended and I still have outstanding tickets and I'm making payments on those, but I've checked again and I'm still not eligible to get my license.
All right, find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display, $240 is the fine. When can you pay it?
Ok, el tribunal lo encuentra culpable de no haber tenido una licencia a mano. La multa es $240. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
¿Qué tiempo me pueden dar?
How much time can you give me?
I'll give you 30 days, January the 5th, 2026, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Le doy 30 días, lo tiene que pagar hasta el 5 de enero de 2026. Lo puede pagar en cualquier kiosco DivDat que están en toda la ciudad o puede bajarla también la aplicación en su teléfono de la aplicación DivDat. Si no, puede venir en persona al tribunal y pagarlo en las ventanillas. Si no hay más nada, le deseo felices fiestas y mucha suerte.
Ok, gracias, muchas gracias. Nada más una pregunta. ¿Me va a llegar algún tipo de carta a mi dirección para yo saber exactamente qué día para llevar ese papel a un kiosco y pagar?
Okay, just one question. Am I going to get some paper that shows me what I need to pay so I can pay it?
No, you go on 36 District Court website and you can get it that way or come on down to the courthouse and they can just go to the window and they'll let you know what you need to pay.
No, usted puede ir a la página del Tribunal 36 de Internet o puede venir en persona y ahí lo pueden asistir y darle el número de tickets si lo necesita.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, Mr. Voppel, you be safe. If I don't see you before the holiday, have a safe, happy holiday season as well.
Thank you, you too. Ya se puede conectar.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Gracias. Gracias por su ayuda. Bye, bye.
Mr. Dupree, you have Jawan Latin. He is here, and Gardner. Latin, there was Officer Nazar was here, but he was late. That was one. Who are you ready on?
Ready on Gardner, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Lori Marie Gardner. Case number SP 156366171. Good morning to you, ma'am. Mr.
Good
Dupree,
morning.
put your appearance on the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant. Judge, the people are respectfully moving to dismiss this matter in the interests of justice upon a stipulation to probable cause. We would so stipulate.
All right, Officer Rosario did appear. We'll dismiss per city attorney. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Jawan Bernard Latin. Case numbers, what, SP 1614895, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1682761. 1, SP 1682761, SP 1800131, 217-361-341, and U61160-121. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Prepaid 0132. Judge, with regards to Mr. Latin, I know that I believe he has a number of matters, or know that he has a number of matters. I know, I think some officers have not appeared for some of the traffic matters. The principal matter I was assigned on is the U ticket ending 0121. The officer on the ticket did not appear, but an officer who was present for the investigation did appear, and I was
Well, let me
waiting.
stop. Let me stop you.
Yep.
Now, Officer Pawlowski, he did sign in.
Oh.
I asked him about his who he was, and he never did open his mic to say anything. Officer Nazar is late. I told him he would dismiss his ticket. That would be one of the driving license suspended, the more recent one. Officer Thornton was here. He never did. No, Officer Thornton never appeared. So a lot of them are taken care of just by no appearance. I do have Officer Martin. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Officer Joshua Martin, badge 4091, Detroit Police.
All right, turn your camera on, please. Well, he doesn't have a way to visualize you anyway. His device was not working. I did see him, but he could not join with his camera because his volume was not working. So I don't know what Ms. Horn wants to do with that Pawlowski. He did join, but he never did identify himself, and we never spoke. And I didn't even write the time down because I couldn't get in touch with, I couldn't even get to who he was. I did figure he was an officer because he had some numbers behind his name, but not the numbers that were on the ticket now. So he may have gotten a promotion or something like that. So state your name for the record, Mr. Latt.
Juwan Bernard Latin.
Can you handle these two? I know you can.
Yes, Judge. I just want to make sure we know that Officer Martin's here for Mr. Latin, because the name on Zoom is Layton.
Yes, he is.
Okay. Can the court tell me what the two charges are here?
For Officer Martin's tickets, we seem to have another driving while license suspended and an improper equipment.
I will talk to the city attorney and work something out, Judge.
And then let her know that the officer did come for Officer Pawlowski did appear, but he never did identify himself or say anything, and he hasn't come back since.
Understood, Judge. And I do see the other officer left, so I'll see what the city attorney wants to do on there.
All right, very well. Let's pass the matter. Let's give an opportunity to work it out. And the sergeant left. He was here as well. Let's pass the matter. Last two.
Mr. Latin, I'm going to pull you into a breakout room for just a second. If I can figure out how to do that. There you are.
Okay.
Delonte Greer. Alonzo.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
Good morning to you. What brings you here?
I need your help, Judge. That's why I came in at this time to make sure all your other cases was done.
You have these tickets that you never paid.
Yeah, I know. I've been kind of going through a lot, Judge. So I'm trying to that's why I called because I need your help. So
What's going on?
so I start my CDL class like in the next 2 weeks, and my license
City of Detroit versus Delonzo Greer, case number SP 1705904, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1740570, counts 1 and counts 2. Not on the docket. Can the attorney put their appearance on the record, please? Mr. Barrett.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Delonzo Greer.
All right, let's call the date and time set for a hearing. He has 4 civil infractions, one of which is, and they're all recent. I would have no issue with allowing Mr. Greer to be heard on these matters if the city has no objection to setting aside the default. He has a no insurance proof, Mr. Berry, no plates, a failure to stop at a stop sign, and a failure to use turn signal. He's indicated to the court off the record that he's trying to get his CDL license, so I imagine he would need something that, you know, probably what he'll need without that abstraction. If the city's willing to set him aside, see if you can get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Greer, we'll set a formal hearing. Join the
Your Honor?
room with, yes.
Could I get those 4 civil matters?
No insurance approved, no plates, failure to stop at a stop sign, and a failure to use a turn signal. Mr. Greer, join the room, wait on Mr. Berry, he's in there. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus, oh, I've already called it. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Latin. Mr. Latin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
So, Judge, we're going to need to address the U-ticket for a second, but before we do that, we have a very simple resolution on the 2 remaining traffic matters, which is that the city has offered that if the defendant pleads responsible to improper equipment, the city would dismiss the driving while license suspended. My client has authorized me to enter into this agreement. On his part, he would plead responsible and stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket for the responsible plea, and we would stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the driving while license suspended.
All right, you gonna take that deal, Mr. Latin?
Yes.
All right, I'll find him responsible as charged for the improper equipment and dismiss the other matter. What about the U-ticket?
So, Judge, the people are asking that the U-ticket be reset. Apparently, when the other officer I mentioned was there, both officers were on that officer's Zoom, and the city attorney spoke to them. There is a pending motion in this matter, and the city attorney is asking that this matter be reset for a motion hearing.
Why didn't the officer stay?
I don't have an answer to that question, Judge, except that I guess the city was planning to ask for this to be reset for a motion hearing.
Are you any objection to that?
I take I take the city attorney at her word that the officers were here. So no, I don't think I object.
Was here. I don't know about the other officer. I don't. But if you gave me the name, I should be able to see. But I know the one officer did appear. That I do know.
Then no, Judge, I would not object to resetting it. I think there's good cause here for them to ask for an adjournment.
When are we resetting this to? December the 19th is a good day?
Judge, I will be out of the country beginning Wednesday afternoon until the end of December. My request would be to set this, and I think the people had asked to go into January because it's a constitutional motion and they want some time to respond to it. It is a motion challenging the underlying ordinance, not merely a motion challenging like the stop or anything like that. I was going to ask if the court could do January the 26th.
January 26th, is that a motion hearing?
Yes, Judge.
All right, January 26th at 8:30, Mr. Latin, I'm gonna fine you $120 for this other matter, and the other matters will be dismissed for reasons stated on the record. When can you pay the 120?
I could pay, what's the Monday? Friday?
All right, pay by December the 5th. Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Latin, have a safe, happy holiday season. We'll see you back in the new year on that other ticket, okay?
Okay, you too.
Best of luck to you.
Appreciate it.
Martin, be safe out there and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your
You
Honor.
too, Your Honor. I don't think I'm going to have another court date before Christmas, so happy holidays.
All right, you as well. I'll see you in the new year.
Sounds good. See ya. Bye.
All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Grundy. Ms. Grundy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the recommendation is that my client could admit responsibility on the off-docket matters with the 3 matters that were on the docket for today being dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Well, they're already in default. So they've already been admitted to essentially. When can you pay?
Probably next month in January.
Now we need more than a probably. I can give you 30 days.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
We need more than a probably.
Well, I'm on disability, so I will try to make it in 30 days.
All right, I'm gonna let you give you until January the 5th. I'll pay it by January the 5th, or get into a payment plan. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay? You're speaking of Delonzo Greer?
No, she only asked me about the lady Kasani something. What's her name? Grundy. So we
Grundy,
haven't.
she said,
She's the
pay the civil infraction.
right.
Yeah.
There's one more person.
Greer, yes.
Greer. Okay.
Here's Greer.
Let me take a look at that.
He's a walk-in. He's trying to get his CBL. He's going for a test next week or sometime, he said, and he's got those issues.
No officer, right?
No, he's not no officer.
He
He's a
just
walk-in. He wants to set aside the defaults.
Okay, let's go with a blockading
All right.
on one of the movements and then get rid of the
Mr.
rest.
Greer.
Okay.
That's
Like,
fine.
well, ain't no officer here. They be like, I'm thinking about this because they say they can enter them now at civil infraction. You can't. No vehicle information. That's the commission. Okay. It has not.
Go get Mr. Greer out of there. Blocking traffic,
I get what
Mr.
you're
Greer.
saying.
Let Mr. Greer know.
You sure? That's the offer?
That's the offer.
Thank you.
Right. Yeah, yes, that makes sense. I got your text, yo. The officer already left, so. So I wrote it on the countdown sheet. Oh, I'm so tired. I need a vacation from Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
But I was on the road all day yesterday.
Where did you go?
State, had to take the kiddo back.
Michigan State?
Yeah,
Oh my
but
God, on the road all day?
it's an all day thing because I do not like driving the freeway. And then, we had that extra accumulation.
You take the road, it won't take you that long.
Grand Prix. So that's why, it's just like, oh.
You went to Atlanta.
We came back. Yeah, just get rid of it. Plus, he might have some collateral consequences. But I'm so tired because then I get home and go to bed early, but wake up at 11, like bing. Guess what I was watching on last night? It was like a book because it is a book, the Book of Negroes. It was so good. I hadn't seen it. It's on Netflix right now. I'm always writing something. I'm always watching some depressing slave stuff.
I watched that movie, The Bankers.
No.
It was so good.
What's it called?
The Bankers.
The Bankers. Okay.
It was a true story too.
Yeah. I like this one. It was basically about being snatched up from over there in the the route that they went to. They ended up in Canada, back to Africa. But I watched that whole thing. I done watched it from 11 to like literally 4 in the morning. I was like, what am I doing? All right. And why? And I was sitting there telling myself, don't do it, don't do it. Next thing you know, click. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause I just look back at how hateful people can be. Like, I would never do all that to like disenfranchise anybody. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot. Okay, I'll go back in and
That's it.
That's it. Okay, I'm gonna jump off because Mr. Johnson waiting on me on a trial. Let's see. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yeah, yeah, that's down in four. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Guerrero. Blocking traffic, $175. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client behalf, Counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
That's your Christmas present, Mr. Greer.
I appreciate you, Judge. So, would I be able to get on a payment plan?
Yes, I'm gonna give you till January the 5th, 2026, to either pay it or get into that payment plan. And your Christmas present to us is go get that valid CDL license, pass the test, and don't get any more tickets, all right?
I will. And so I can go get my license back, right?
Hopefully, right, when Mr. Mathis puts it in, it should go through. Try tomorrow. Be safe, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, that'll conclude the morning.